Popn music has been around for almost 21 years, and with Yuancon also releasing his Popn music controller back in 2018. Is it really worth getting a controller in 2019? Well, let's get into the review of the Popn music controller from Yuancon. As of recording of this video, the 2DX and the SDVX controllers are not on sale. They are actually been taken down because there is tons of order that Yuancon has to clear first. And by the time you see this video, most likely he'll put it back on sale. Now if you want more update about it, you can look it up on Yuancon Twitter account. I'll put the Twitter link down below so you can follow his Twitter account and you can follow the status of the website and if the controllers are back on sale. There is two controller modes that you can use for the Popn controller. Now you have to do this while you're plugging in the USB. To switch to keyboard mode, you have to hold the left hand side white and green buttons, and when you want to switch to the controller mode, you have to hold the yellow and green button. Now I would prefer controller mode because they reduce the least lag in terms of my testing, so yeah. So we have come to the conclusion of the Popn controller from Yuancon. So is it worth getting the Popn controller from Yuancon? Of course. I mean seriously, I've been using for a few months and it is still standing strong. I mean seriously, I've been slamming the buttons like nothing. Seriously, it's fun. It's also very strong, and with the metal casing itself, yeah, it really stood the stand of times. Now, of course, there were some issues with the base itself. If you guys have seen the videos, some of the shots I have taken, yes, the base was broken when I received the controller. Now this is pretty unfortunate because the base itself is using acrylic. Of course, I think it was damaged during shipping, but of course, I wouldn't blame Yuan about it. It's basically unavoidable. Yeah, I mean, other than that, it's great. The controller is fine, it's fun, it's awesome. Also very heavy. One thing is that the controller is so heavy that I don't dare even put it on my shelf. Seriously, it's like 7 kg. Yes, 7 freaking kgs. So yeah, it's like a heavyweight. If you guys have seen my unboxing video, yes, that is how heavy it is. Seriously. So this is a review of the Yuancon Popn controller. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Bye.